Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing a stable connection and saving any work because updates close background tabs. Once done, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu. Next, select Help, then About Google Chrome. This screen both checks for and starts downloading updates automatically. Make sure you don't interrupt the download. Large updates may take a few minutes. If prompted, allow Chrome to run in the background so it can finish installing after you relaunch. This keeps the browser current without manual repeats. While Chrome downloads, monitor the progress bar and estimate how long the update will take. This helps you decide when to relaunch. Make sure to close high CPU tabs or streaming services to speed installation and reduce conflicts. If extensions warn about compatibility, pause or update them now so they don't interrupt the relaunch. You can manage them under More Tools right arrow extensions. Once the download hits 100%, Chrome will show a relaunch button. Keep unsaved work closed. Click Relaunch to apply the update. Chrome will restart and restore your open tabs automatically unless you disabled that feature. After relaunch, return to About Google Chrome to confirm the version number updated and ensure Profile Sync is active so bookmarks and passwords stay intact. If the update fails, first restart your laptop and try again. Make sure Chrome can run with admin privileges or uninstall and reinstall the latest installer. If problems persist, check for blocking antivirus or enterprise policies that prevent updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.